Hello there, my name is Kyolkhos Süleyman and I'm a teacher of the school gymnasium number 7 named after Bimbit Mylin. And today I'm going to explain the grammatical theme present perfect. The present perfect is a verb tense which is used to show that an action has taken place once or many times before now. The present perfect is more frequently used to talk about experiences or changes that have taken place, but there are other less common uses as well. We formulate the present perfect with the subject. We use as a subject pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Then we need to add these two words, have and has. Have will be used with the pronouns with the words I, you, we, they, and has will be used with the words he, she, it, and the names of people and animals and so on. And then we need to add a main verb. Main verb in the third form or by adding ed. If the verb is regular, we add ed, and if it's irregular, we use the third form. For example, I have seen, she has played. Okay, it was an affirmative form of the present perfect. Now it's time for the negative form. We use, first of all, subject. As you know, instead of have, has, we use haven't and hasn't because it's negative. Have not, has not, haven't, hasn't. And then we use the main verb, past participle, or the verb with ed. For example, I haven't made, he hasn't cooked. It was a negative form of the present perfect. Now let's see how the interrogative form is made. Interrogative form is made by switching the places of subject and have has. So have has will be in the first place of the sentence and the subject will be in the second place. Here you are. For example, has she made, have you seen, and so on. And the main verb will be in the third place. For example, have you eaten, has it begun. Okay, here are some examples. First of all, we see a cook, a chef, and the sentence is I have cooked, right? I have cooked. Our next example will be in negative form. Here we see a girl who's upset about something. Okay, our sentence is she hasn't done her work. And the third example is in interrogative form. It goes like, has she done gymnastics? Okay, thank you very much.